Simply click Send Registered instead of Send to send your email via RMail. To send an encrypted email, select the relevant option and send as normal. You can change the settings for sending encrypted email in the RMail options. For example, adding password protection. The password can either be generated and delivered automatically or set manually. The recipient receives their password in an email or via your preferred method. The actual email with the secure PDF arrives separately. Gmail displays a warning when receiving encrypted files. This can be ignored when using RMail. The PDF can only be opened with the defined password. And includes all content and attachments of the original email.